It's cold as fuck. Let's take some pictures here, no?
Yeah.
The medio, facing me over here.
Facing what?
Facing me. On this one right here in the middle, between 4 and 5.
Facing this way?
Yeah.
Me?
Get closer. Fucking crazy put on the record. No, siéntate next to it.
Eh?
Crouch next to it. Like, híncate así. Either way, no sé en cuál way, pero crouch next to your bike. Oh, actually like that. Stay like that. Hold. Look over here. You can see the shoes, but not yourself that well.
Yeah.
Oh, let me adjust my settings again.
Yes, way.
Oh, he did. What the fuck? No, he's gonna pull over here then.
Huh?
He's gonna come over here then. Trust.
I don't know. I don't know where he went.
Oh, I see him.
Hmm?
He's parked over there. Wait.
You see him too?
I see him now.
I think I see him.
Yeah. We're cooked.
Huh?
I said we're cooked. Damn, bro, this will be a good video. The light's on him too now. Bro, he's just standing there,
He's
fool.
just fucking chilling there, fool.
Yeah, I know, fool. He's just standing there, man, next to me.
You better go home right away, fool.
Yeah, we should go home in a bit.